decisions. With Smitty to go, we making rich decisions, yeah. We making rich decisions. If you know, then you know.
All right, welcome y'all to another episode of the Rich Decision Podcast. We do have a special guest. We live right now at InvestFest, man. We getting it in right now. We got a special guest, one of my brothers, one of our people in the same industry as me, man. One of somebody killing it, somebody I learned from, man.
I appreciate
my guy,
you, my
Haitian
guy.
CEO.
Smitty to
Man,
in the building.
you already know.
Listen, we made it to the Rich Decisions Podcast.
Yeah.
In Atlanta, man. I'm honored, bro. We walking through InvestFest. I was like, I gotta pull up.
Yeah, for sure.
I was like, my man got a booth. He got cameras. He got mics. We on this.
Yeah, 100%. Man, Haitian, bro. That crazy storyline with Haitian, bro. Me coming into recession proof and just learning the industry.
Yeah.
Haitian had already started a little bit. Me seeing a glimpse of what he was doing.
Yeah.
Seeing that it was possible, seeing that it could happen faster than I thought. Taking some things of what he was moving and shaking with. I'm like, all right, I can see what I can do and see how I can maneuver it, bro. Helped me a lot growing.
Appreciate it, bro.
Man, us growing in the same industry as big as we are now. Multiple 7 figures, bro.
Crazy. God is great.
God is good.
God
bro.
is good.
Sometimes I'll be pinching myself, bro. It's like the things we've been able to do and build, how big both of our communities have grown in the industry. Literally, like at the top of the industry now.
Yeah.
3 years ago, 4 years ago, like just trembling up, but like now, literally at the top of the industry is crazy to me. So like, how you feeling right now, bro? Like as Haitian CEO now, multiple 7 figures, helping the community growing in a short span. How you feeling now, bro?
Bro, I feel like I'm living my dreams with my eyes wide open, right? I cannot believe daily, like we are doing income and impact.
Yeah.
We're making money and we're helping people, so it's an absolute dream. Commercial break.
100%.
We got to talk about something real quick, bro.
First
of all, to all the listeners, we are in the same space.
Same space.
We have the same type of community.
Same type of community.
But there's enough bread for everyone.
Everybody. That's a fact.
Can we talk about that? No rival, no nothing.
100%. Collaboration.
He calls me. He's like, Herm, you started doing this yet? I'm like, nah. He don't need to do that.
For sure.
He's like, yo, you learned about this bank yet? I'm like, nah.
For sure.
I remember he started that with me first. So if I get something, I call him. I'm like, yo, bro, there's some new stuff coming out. And I appreciate it. So I had to talk about this. But, bro, I'm living my dreams with my eyes wide open, that I'm able to provide for my family, my community. And we able to help people. Because when we found this game, we was like, oh, no, we got to run back and tell everybody this information. And to be walking around InvestFest and people stopping us. Bro, somebody just stopped me. They was like, yo, bro, I just came home 2 months ago. And I got $50,000 in funding because I was learning the stuff you was teaching me inside. So as soon as I got home, it was up. Man. That stuff right there, and he didn't have to pay me for that. That's all the free information we giving out here.
100%. And it's like, bro, the impact has grown so much, and like I can't even like believe it sometimes. It's like I literally be in my house like just pondering like, how did this happen so fast? Right. But on the same token, it's like we've been putting in work, bro.
We've been putting in work.
We've been grinding. We've been locked in. We've been focused. We've been investing into ourselves. We've been consistent. How
many mentorships have you paid for? Have I paid for?
We can talk about that. I'm $275,000 in, Haitian.
Oh, you're way ahead of me, bro. I'm like at 100,000.
I'm 275.
You went to college?
No. I ain't go to college.
I'm 100,000 in college and 100,000 in mentorship, and I promise you, the 100,000 in mentorship has made me way more money. But wow, you really went in. Yeah. And the ROI, bro, I'll do it over and over again.
100%, man.
Over and over again.
Big mark in my business. Haitian, I don't know if you know, but like last week we checked our P&Ls, crossed over 10 million, bro. Crossed over 10 million in revenue. Not 1 year. I'm saying overall, over the last 5 years.
Yeah. Congratulations, bro.
10 million, man. Crazy.
That's a crazy number, bro.
Crazy number, bro.
So that 275 was light.
That 275 was pennies.
On a dollar.
Yeah.
You'll spend it again.
100% every time. So I've been aggressive in that. But some things we want to get into today, though, man. We talking about a few things we want to talk about before we sit down. We want to talk about getting into some AI stuff. So, man. Wait. Before you finish watching this video, I want to introduce myself. I am Kenny Smith, a 7-figure entrepreneur. I help business owners and entrepreneurs leverage credit to start businesses and investments. I teach business owners and entrepreneurs how to clean their credit, build their credit, and get funded their first $50,000 to $250,000 in funding with their LLC. It's called 0% interest business credit card stacking methods. I want to show you this method. I teach this method specifically step by step in my community. My community is less than $2 a day. So what I want to do is I want you to text the word group to this number below, and you can get access right now for less than $2 a day, how to be able to get that step-by-step process, okay? So you can get back to your video. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys later.
You scared?
I am a little scared. Haitian. We finna talk about it because, bro, How is it able to do so many things so well, so fast, and so efficient?
Because the moment they launched it, bro, on the Worlds, everybody started using it.
Yes.
So that we're giving AI all this information, millions of people, and it's getting better and better and
They're
better.
consuming all of our fucking thoughts.
Yeah. And it's becoming cold with it, bro.
Yeah.
I'm literally watching now because, bro, it's infiltrating our game right now.
Sure.
So literally, bro, I had to start teaching people. I was like, listen, I know I could tell you how to write the letters, do all this stuff, but right now you can download a PDF of your credit report.
For sure.
Upload it to ChatGPT.
For sure.
And be like, yo, I need round 1, round 2, round 3. And it'll do everything for you, print it out, and you send it out.
Wow.
Like low key, like I'm telling you how not to pay us to fix your credit. Like you can go do this on your own 100%. Right now. Because it knows the consumer law back and forth.
Right.
It knows how to do factual disputes.
100%.
It knows Metro too. Go use it, man, and run
Use it to your advantage. Now, and then people are like, oh, but what about when they get a response? Okay.
Yeah.
Upload the response.
Upload the response.
Tell it to give you a better response.
Tell it to give you a better response.
To be able to cook them again.
To be able to cook them again. It knows the credit repair laws better than you do, and the laws right now, the FCRAs was really killing it right now in credit repair. Yep. It's really protecting the consumers.
It's doing good. And even on the funding side, man, with AI, man, bots and being able to know what credit cards to get to in a state. Being able to know which ones got 0% interest. Bro. Being able to know which banks in your state, that's a credit union that's low, that give out high limits and all these different things, bro. It's like, wow.
Spooky.
Like,
spooky.
Bro, come on, bro.
The bots know that the application is from Atlanta or the application is in California, so it knows what VPN to use so that you don't go let limits. It's scary.
It's definitely scary.
It's scary. So like, if I was on my own, I would have been able to get that client 50,000.
100%.
But this AI knows more banks than I do is getting that client 150,000. My commissions go up. But here's the scary part, because I got VAs doing this work. So I'm
100%.
like, do I need to fire these VAs? Do I need to fire these VAs? This is crazy. But bro, I'm trying to protect my workers as much as possible. I'm training them on AI and the tools that are out there so that my VAs and my employees can be empowered, right? So that they can leverage it so they can make more money no matter what.
Yeah. What you think is like a best prompt we can use for get the people the best prompt we can use right now with AI to be able to help with funding? Like one good prompt that you can think in your head real quick that you can put in ChatGPT and will spit you out a good sequence of something.
I'm gonna tell you, if you guys have been paying attention to my page, I've been posting a credit union every single day. Here's what I told ChatGPT, right?
Smart.
Act like, because you got to tell it what to do first.
100%.
Act like a business funding specialist. That's the first prompt.
Yeah.
That understands how to build a funding sequence to get $100,000, right? You type that in first. That's the first thing I told it. Then I told it, find me and email me every single day credit unions that do soft pulls, in addition to letting you know what your credit limit is without getting a hard inquiry.
Ooh, the best
so
banks
every day, it was emailing me, hey, Penn Fed, Apple Credit Card, Navy Federal, American Express. It's giving it to me every day. It pulls from what credit bureau, right? It's giving me this information every day. I'm copying and pasting, I'm tweeting, I'm putting it on Threads, I'm putting it on Facebook, I'm putting it on Instagram, and I'm getting leads.
That's a good one,
so
y'all.
I'm utilizing free information to educate, because Myron Gold is one of my mentors. He's like, be transformational before you're transactional.
Facts.
I'm gonna give you the bank so you can go get $10,000, $15,000. So when I say the mentorship is 5 bands, I know you got it.
100%. Because I helped you get it.
Because I helped you get it.
And it was for free.
And then for free. And then on the other side of the mentorship, let me show you how to make 100 bands.
100%.
Let's go.
Perfect.
This is how I'm using AI right now. Perfect. To do content, lead generation for my business, give information that even I don't know everything about.
100%. Yeah, I had AI create my content plan. So some people like, I'm struggling with content. I'm like, you struggling with content? I don't know what to put. You don't know what to put. You don't know what call to action to do. AI literally will build all that out, tell you when to post it, tell you what caption to post, tell you the script of what to say in the video, tell you what time to post it. And you mean to tell me you don't know what to do and how to do it?
You don't need to know what to do. Do you know you could screenshot your homepage on Instagram, upload it to ChatGPT and be like, hey, act like an amazing content creator and tell me how to fix the link in my bio, yada, yada, yada. And it'll spit out what you need to do. Like, there's no excuses right now. We just need to know understand and know how to use the tool.
No excuses, man. If y'all are at home right now, y'all watching this, it's like, if you can start thinking of things in your head to be able to deter you from doing this stuff or make excuses like that, then you don't want it enough, man. It's like you have to want this more than just life itself. Like you gotta be obsessed with this stuff.
Obsessed
you know
with
what I
it,
mean?
bro.
You got to be so obsessed with this stuff that it just, you seem crazy.
Right.
It turn good.
It's the new vocation.
Yeah.
Because remember back in the day, bro, it was plumbing, HVAC. Like we had this tool that nobody could take away from you. You had this skill, right?
Yeah.
Carpentry. AI is the new carpentry.
Right.
It's the new HVAC. Once you know how to use it, manipulate it, learn from it, you can start so many different businesses, bro. Somebody comes to you and be like, hey, I need a website for my credit repair company.
Okay.
Type it into ChatGPT. Website done in 5 minutes. You charging that person $500 for making a website.
Bro.
Like, it go crazy really fast, bro.
Yo, I'm telling y'all right now, it's like things are always going to change. You have to change and adapt.
You have to adapt and change.
You got to be able to adapt. I see that, like, one of the struggles that I'm seeing with a lot of entrepreneurs is they're not understanding of they got to adapt every month, every quarter, every year. You think that you can keep doing the same thing because something worked at a time being. That's fine. That's cool.
Fine.
But for you to continue to grow, for you to continue to learn things and put things in place to be able to now stay stable, like you gotta be able to keep learning.
You gotta adjust to the seasons, bro. Because while something is working right now, you have to be prepared. At the same time, run it up, right?
Yeah.
You have to be prepared and diversify behind the scenes. Like, all right, this is running. Let me work on the next thing really quick. Because we was talking before the cameras went on, like, bro, we can't do mentorships and funding forever.
Yeah.
We have different businesses you're building. I'm in real estate. You're doing the storage facilities. You're working on other things that are what? Our original situation, recession-proof, right? We got to be recession-proof.
Yeah.
We got to be AI-proof, right? For what's coming for ourselves and our family and our children. Because we got to leave these kids something.
That's a fact.
Can you imagine what AI is going to look like when our kids is 18, bro? Oh, we got to protect these kids.
They're going to be building houses.
Right.
Without us even doing
Without us
houses.
being there. The robots are going to be doing that. So I got to protect these kids, man, with these assets, and we setting it up right now, bro.
100%, man. So next thing we're going to try to like transition and dive into, man, is I think one thing I want to touch on first that I would love to hear from you is like, what do you think the most #1 mistake that people are making in the industry when it comes to just business owners and entrepreneurs? It don't got to be just strictly funding or credit, but like, what do you think business owners and entrepreneurs are making a mistake of, the reason why they can't get to the next level?
Okay, it's a two-part thing for me.
Yeah.
#1, consistency.
Yeah.
Right? Like, every day.
Every day.
Now,
bro.
listen. Every day. Every day. I can't stress that enough, right?
That's a fact.
I am a 44-year overnight success. All right? This took years, and they're not doing it every day. #2, Wallow said this, and he got to put it on the C-search because it's super lit. It's God and then marketing.
Marketing, that's a fact.
Bro,
that's exactly how we feel.
You can have a cure for cancer. If you are not marketing it, no one knows about it, you're not going to make no money.
If they don't know you, they can't flow you. It's impossible.
It's impossible.
You can be the best at what you do, but if they don't know that you do, they don't know that you do that thing, then how they going to be able to pay you for it?
You literally have one of the biggest booths at InvestFest.
Yeah.
Everybody stopping looking like this.
Yes.
Because you need eyes on your business.
Yeah, 100%.
Right? So for you to get one sale, just imagine you need 100 eyes on your business.
100%.
100 people had to look at you before one closed.
Yeah.
Right? But you posting once a week talking about this don't work, it's a scam. What are you talking about?
Not gonna work.
Every single day. Bro, I'm down 47 pounds since January. Because I've been walking every day.
Working every day? Walking every day?
Walking every day.
How long?
With a weighted vest, an hour.
Good.
An hour. Just working out. Of course, changing my diet too.
Okay.
But we got to talk about the consistency of everything that you're doing and implementing in your business, and you got to market your business. And going back to AI, bro, AI can do the marketing for you. They have faceless YouTube pages. The AI could do the video and you just post it with the breakdown and such as that. I don't need to go on Instagram and be like, yo, here's 3 banks that pull from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experience, and here how you run $100,000, because people are afraid to stand for running for camera. Type in to VO3 for Google or ChatGPT, make the video, and it'll print it out for you. You just post it on your Instagram. You ain't got to be the face of it. What is the excuse?
Come on, y'all.
Bro.
Hey.
There's no excuse, bro. This is free information.
Come on. Come on, man.
Come on.
Like, what else could we do for? Like, what else could you get handed?
We can't make it any easier, bro.
What else could you get handed on the platter
legit,
for
bro.
you to try to build something, create something, and get something different than what you've been doing that haven't been working?
Been working on, bro.
You know what I mean? And it's like, man, if y'all don't want this stuff, then I guess it's just go work a job and just
listen.
You just don't want it.
Listen, man.
At this point,
you gotta want it more than anything, more than you want to breathe, more than anything, man. I have my why. I know you got your babies, bro.
For sure.
I got my why.
Yeah.
I have to figure it out. I don't have a choice, bro.
Yeah, it's either gonna work or it's gonna work for me.
Work for me.
Ain't no plan B.
Bro.
Plan B is to figure out what plan A is gonna do.
Bro, you see my shirt?
Yeah.
Or just a circle. We around different people, bro.
Yeah.
we have different people that are brainwashing us to be successful.
That's a fact.
Like they talk different.
That's a fact.
So we be in a room like, oh shit, like I was okay, I'm not doing enough.
Yeah.
Like I'm here with my YouTube content creator Savvy. She looked at your booth. She's like, see? It's like, see, you got a piece of shit booth in the back. See? I might bet next year, gotta drop the 30. You
gotta drop the 30.
We gotta drop it.
At least one time.
Right, at least one time I gotta do it because my man doing it.
Hey.
And you did the numbers. He's like, no, Herm, do this, do this, boom. You're gonna get, at least you're gonna break even.
For
and
sure.
you got the leads. I'm like, bro, I didn't even think about it that way.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it wrong. I'm just thinking about the money. No, you're thinking about now, future, like I might bet content. I was thinking about it wrong.
Yeah, 100%.
100%.
And then also too, man, us being in the credit and funding industry, man, a lot of people starting to complain and start to not understand where they need to pivot to be able to be successful in the things that we need to do within the industry. Let's touch on a few things with each other about, all right, what do you think is the number one thing that people are not like understanding that's changing in the industry that they need to be aware of in order to be ahead of the game when it comes to funding and credit right now in today's day?
Oh God, the changes that are coming. So listen, no doc is shrinking.
It's getting tougher.
No doc is getting different. You know why? Because y'all messed up the bag. Listen, and listen, you know, you don't have to take responsibility. I'm gonna take accountability.
Okay.
It's my fault I got you 50 bands and you didn't know what to do with it. It's my fault. Right?
It's a little bit.
It's a little bit, right?
It's a little bit.
And that's why right now in the pivot that we've been doing, I see you've been doing on your platform too, really educating.
For sure.
You got 50,000? Let me put you on with Ramel. You got to put a down payment on your group home or your storage facility. Let me show you how to use that to do cash. Let me show you how to do real business.
Yes.
But because a lot of people messed up the bag, and the banks are looking how you messed up the bag, and you're messing up their numbers, they're like, well, how it get messed up? Oh, these people came through, they got the 50, they messed it up. We're not gonna give it to these people anymore.
Yeah.
They have AI too.
100%.
They're looking at it too, right? So they're increasing the data points. Oh, 680, that's almost over. Now you gotta need to have a 700 credit score.
100%.
Now we need to see docs.
I be at 720 almost. I'm like, man, I don't even want to talk if it's
right. They don't even want to talk now,
yeah,
right?
It's crazy,
like, I need 700. All right, it's low. It's going from no docs to low docs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need at least 30 days, 60 days bank statements.
A little
right?
something, I can see a little something.
You know what y'all need to be afraid of?
Yeah.
Y'all need to be afraid of Plaid. That's what y'all need, Plaid. That's
where the platform?
The platform.
Yeah.
Because now they're like, oh, you don't have docs? Don't worry about it. Connect us to your business bank account. Connect us to your checking account.
They can see it right away.
We can see it right away. Y'all submitting Fugazi bank statements? Don't worry. We'll just connect it. Give us your login. They'll analyze. The AI will analyze your whole bank system and see how much money they're gonna give you.
And then what's gonna happen is all the companies gonna start making it mandatory.
Yep.
And then it's gonna be like, then what?
Then what?
It's like, it's really what you're doing in real life.
It's really, So
you're gonna have to really put in the work.
You're gonna really have to.
So you better start now.
Start now. Put in the work. Start getting the funding. Right now. Start getting those bank statements. So now you have your documents to get a bag. Start
100%.
right now.
Yeah.
Start right now. There's no doc.
Think about something else in the industry. Also, understanding the interpretation of the banking reps and stuff like that. I think some people are starting to get it, understand because we've been putting it out there now.
Yeah.
But it's like, I don't think people are still not leveraging it correctly. And I think it's pivoting a little bit, as in it may not be the same because we're getting in it good, right? They're starting to see us be able to do the way it's really supposed to be done
in the first place. Yeah.
And we figured it out.
Yeah.
And I'm already seeing some changes with even that.
Yeah, facts, bro.
Where do you think that's going in the near future when it comes to banking relationship managers inside the banks and banking reps and people handling the underwriting and us having those relationships?
Bro, relationships is key, and I protect my BRMs with my life.
Facts.
Right? And I think one of the best ways we could protect them, bro, is to send them qualified people.
That's a fact.
Right? Like, I don't waste their time. I don't send them no BS.
Yeah.
Right? I send them qualified people that I know can get funding, that's not gonna run away. Bro, even my intake process now that I'm doing with the banking, with my bank reps, I'm doing more of an interview, or my VAs are doing more of an interview with the people that are coming in. What business do you do? What do you need the money for?
Yeah.
How you answer those questions, let me know how serious you are, so I can connect you with the bank reps. Oh, this person really does money.
100%.
They really do good business. They're not gonna mess up the bag. Now I'm gonna connect you with my bank reps, because the bank reps, their life is getting harder. So we gotta make sure that they're protected too. Man.
Yeah. They lit up
I'm,
outside right now, man.
I'm gonna spend the 30 next year, bro, so I can get my podcast booth.
They lit outside.
They lit outside.
They locked in.
I love it, bro.
Yeah, man, this is dope, man. Dope conversations happening. Once again, man, just our brand growing, get to the next level, investing to ourselves. If you could talk to your 18-year-old self, what would be the top 3 things you tell yourself to focus on first as being an 18-year-old, knowing what you know now, and talking to your older self? What would be the top 3 key things that you would say to focus on to be able to move the needle faster, earlier?
Number 1, shout out to my dad, rest in peace, Pop. Yeah. I tell people this, he prepared me for a world that no longer exists, right? Go to college, get an education, do that.
Yeah.
That's not helping me right now, right?
Yeah.
So what the one thing I would tell people, number 1, is get yourself a mentor.
Okay. Yeah.
Whether you want to do plumbing, construction, funding, get somebody who's done it and been successful, or who's done it and failed, because at least they tried, they could teach you something. But get yourself a mentor, right, to teach you something very quickly. Number 2, execute on the information that you was given as fast as possible. Fail quickly. Fail as fast as possible.
I don't think they understand that. Break that one down a little bit for them. What does that mean for you to like fail quickly, fail forward?
I'll give you an example. You know who knows how to fail quickly?
Yeah.
Babies who are learning how to walk.
Okay.
They get up and they fall every single time. And guess what they do immediately? They get up again and again and again, right? Within 30 days, they learn how to walk. Then they learn how to run because they did it. They didn't fall one time for the day, and they was like, all right, I'm chalked.
I ain't never getting up and walking
I'm not
again.
getting up. I'll try maybe next week. No, they kept getting up.
Exactly.
Fail extremely quickly so that you could learn extremely quickly and you become successful very quickly. And the third thing, even right now, we talked about it offset, figure out your exit. Because what you're doing right now, you're not going to do it forever.
Yeah.
Right? So plan for your exit.
Yeah.
Set up that trust. Set up that life insurance. Right? Set all that up so you're not working forever. Can you imagine us being 50 talking about funding, bro?
Nah, bro.
I'm out of here.
The internet got me for another 2 years.
2 years? Maybe 3. 24 months, baby.
Maybe 3. And it ain't going to be all this internet. This ain't going to be all these things we've been doing to build. Like, I'm going to be on a chilling side.
On the island doing something.
Still gonna be helping people.
I want them to say, oh yeah, Smitty fell off. Yup, Smitty fell off. Hey, CEO, I don't see them posting anymore. Yup, we fell off. We on the island somewhere. We gone.
Nah, we got growth, man.
Yeah,
you know,
1000%.
Getting to the next level mentally, and man, you know, this feeling that I don't know about you, but this feeling that I got now that I've been like this freedom feeling, bro.
Yeah.
Like the position we in now, and in the way that we can be less stressful now and be able to relax and think and be creative
and build
and be
something.
free. Because I thought the money was the thing. I was so hard driven on the money.
Bro, it's the freedom.
Yeah, bro, man, it's the freedom that it comes with that creates.
I wouldn't change it for the world, bro.
Nothing.
I can't go back. We tasted it, bro. We can't go back.
I can't, bro.
I'm gonna figure something out. The entrepreneur thing is locked in me now. I was like, bro, I will sell cheesecakes like my brother, T-shirts on the corner.
They cooking out there too.
Yeah, they cooking. I'll sell anything, bro.
Yeah.
Because the freedom that comes with it on a Tuesday, on a Thursday, like, yo, we out with my family. I can do whatever I want.
Yeah.
That I won't trade for the world, bro.
Yeah. And another question for you, man.
Yeah.
You generate millions of dollars. In your business, what have been the number one thing that you feel like has been the most needle mover? If you feel like the thing that you've executed on that have moved your business the fastest and the most, that you can give game on and be like, all right, if y'all can use this same tactic or same tool right now in today's time, this will be able to help your business grow exponentially.
This is where I have to give it up to Damaris, bro.
Okay.
I made X amount of dollars, right?
What's X?
Yeah, the feds watching. They gonna say about taxes. That's crazy.
I be investing. I be killing my tax liability. I'm smoking the taxes. I'm smoking the tax game now.
Buying assets. He's like, I made millions and I ain't paying no taxes. Taxes is ghetto. Taxes is ghetto because I'm buying assets.
For sure.
Hiring out as soon as possible. Right?
Okay.
That's what made me grow.
Hiring out.
So I made $500,000.
Okay.
Right? And I couldn't get to $1 million.
Yeah.
Because I only have so many hours in a day.
Yeah.
I got to $1 million when I hired a CEO, somebody who was smarter than me, better than me, logistics. Shout out to Damaris. I took her from Amazon, right?
Nice.
But she understands systems, implemented systems in my business. The same work I was doing, she just put it in a system and boom, 10x.
Wow.
Right? Then she went and hired VAs. All the minimum wage activities that you're doing, a VA should be doing it to free up your time.
Facts.
Right? So invest in that back end. We're gonna shout out Savvy again. Yeah. She's like, yo, you only on Instagram. You need to get on TikTok and YouTube. I was like, I'm not downloading another app on my phone. This Instagram is taking all my goddamn time. She's like, yo, I got you. Yeah. She sent me an invoice for $100,000. I swear to God, right?
$1 million invoice,
right?
Why you do my boy like that?
Send me a crazy invoice. Yeah. But the leads that I get from YouTube and TikTok is way different than the leads I get from Instagram. And the people on YouTube, they are buyers and they spend money. Yeah. On Instagram, we got a $50 a month mentorship. Yeah. Like, you know, you got the same thing.
I don't even talk about 10K, 20,000 programs. I'm okay. I got $1 a day.
$1 a day, right? Bro, they ask you 900 questions about the $50.
About the $50.
My YouTube leads, yeah, the VIP day is 10,000, 15,000. They're like, where do I send the money? I'm glad I hired her.
Different type of clientele, right?
Different type of clientele. So hire out the help to people who are smarter than you to take your business to the next level.
So you basically saying to the audience, focus on YouTube.
Bro, that's why when I saw your booth, I was like, oh, we got to get in the booth because we got to run your YouTube up.
Yeah.
And the leads are different on YouTube, bro. You know because people, they digest content different on YouTube because they're going to watch this video. Yeah. They're going to see your content, this podcast. Oh, I think he know what he's talking about. Yeah. They're going to go down your page. Yeah. They're going to watch your shorts. They're going to watch the class you did on how to get $100,000 from 3 banks for free. Yeah. Go watch it. It's a crazy video. Yeah. And then they locked in with you.
Yeah, man. I told myself this year, man, that's my main focus. YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube pays you for people to come pay you.
Right. Facts.
Why would you not be on a platform and focus on a platform of a first platform that pays you for people to come pay you?
That's crazy. I've left that out. Yeah, you post it on YouTube. YouTube literally sends you a check. The more views it gets, YouTube says I make thousands of dollars a month on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the content education I'm giving, YouTube pays me to post it.
Powerful, man.
Right. We have partnerships. That's another thing. Yep. Who are your partners in business? Yep. I have partnered with Google.
Nice.
They're my business partners, and they send me a check every month.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
I gotta get my check up, but I'm starting to, I think I got like $500-600 a month right now. I'm cooking.
That's a car note for somebody, bro.
Hey,
don't
pay my groceries for the month.
That's groceries for the month. Fact.
You know what I mean? But it took me a minute to learn that though. Yeah. I was so heavy stuck on Instagram. I'm the Instagram king. Yeah, that's cool and supposed to be the YouTube king.
You supposed
Somebody
to be
told me this 4 or 5 years ago. I would have been on there.
Can you imagine? You're getting paid from YouTube, and then you're getting leads from YouTube. It's a double whammy. It's crazy.
100%. Yeah. So basically, we're saying, y'all, focus on YouTube. You're creating content for your business. Focus on YouTube. Get on YouTube and get aggressive because you started from behind already. So get aggressive on there and be consistent. All right. Man. And a few things before we get out of here, man.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out what else could we tell them, man, that can really move. Like, give us some. Let's think about just a back and forth conversation now about how we can get them actionable steps of what they can go out here and go execute on to be able to move some needles in their business. I'll start with one. I know one business model we teach that's been helping a lot of people make money, good money in their business. It's a good business model if you don't know what business to start. The money game is relentless, right? Being the person that can get people access to capital for their business is like the ultimate business model in the world.
Selling money, bro.
Selling money is like I believe is the number one thing you can do in the world because it services everybody. It's white, black, tall, short,
everybody needs
woman,
the money.
Men, and it's like if you're the money person for you to be the person to go to so they can get access to capital from you and you know what you're doing and being to help people, you can help everybody, you can service everybody and still monetize off of it and make money off of it. So what I teach in my program is teach me how to start a lending business, right? Okay. I believe that everybody can do this even on the side. They can be able to get funded for other people if they learn the model. So one of the best things I think people can do in their business is learn how to add a funding service to your business, especially for people like in taxes.
Oh,
people got thousands of clients in taxes. Imagine if we were to add a funding service to your business model and we get just 20% of them people to get funded and you make $5,000 to $10,000 per client. Bam, you got an extra $500,000, $750,000 in your business. And with one tweak. One tweak of add-on.
Just adding that
to your business model. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, that model, guess what else that model works? You just talked about taxes. Yeah. That model works with credit repair companies.
100%.
I know credit repair companies that don't do funding, and I was like, that's crazy. So stacking services in your business is super important. Yep. If you have a credit repair company, follow the Apple business model. What do you mean? Yep. Apple has the iPhone, right? They have the software on the phone, right? They have the iPod, the AirPods. They stack services. You have a credit repair company. Once their credit is finished, why don't you have a trade line business? And after the trade lines have been posted, why don't you have a personal funding business?
100%.
Your VAs, after the 6, 7 months, 8 months, their personal credit card has been seized in a year. Let's go get you some business funding.
Yep.
You have long-term value over that client that you have been servicing them income and impact on the same client where you were just doing credit repair with them.
100%. 100%. I like it. We're gonna talk about life insurance in a little bit because I know you've been leveraging it. I finally got in the game leveraging it. But I don't know if you learned about this game yet. I just got into it and I did it and it was powerful. Somebody just taught me how to do it. I became a lender, bro.
You're nasty.
I became a lender, and I'm gonna break this one down to you.
So you ran up a bag. You ran up a bag, right?
Okay, I'm gonna let you convince you.
You saved money on taxes by funding your life insurance policy.
Yes.
And then you took out a loan against your life insurance policy to buy cash on assets.
Yes. Storage facility. Yes.
You took a cash out refund, put the money right back into your life insurance policy.
I did not do it that way, but you close.
Oh, what you do?
So, I made money in my business.
Yeah.
Yep. Dumped into life insurance policy. Borrowed against it. Bought the storage facility.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use the cash flow to be able to, pay myself back in life insurance policy.
But to pay the note back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Basically,
Smart.
I'm pay myself back, and I want to be able to fuel my life insurance back up so I can borrow against it more, stuff like that. But I like what you said too, though.
Yeah.
I like what you said too. But
you became a hard money lender, bro?
So somewhat.
Okay.
So I became a lender, and this is what I did though. This is the other thing I did. I say, of course, you got to make a lot of money in business to play with this game.
Yeah.
This is the next level of money.
Okay.
So the credit stuff, that's what we started.
Cute.
Funding stuff, that's what we started.
Cute.
All the business credit stuff, these funding company, cool.
Yeah.
This is where the big dogs play. And this is what the big dogs been doing for such a long time. Let's just say for numbers' sake, lend it out on an asset, right? $500,000.
Yeah.
Right? So somebody who we had to evaluate the deal, their property had the ARV of $950,000.
Right.
They like, okay, I got a little bit of money, but I need the construction costs and the rehab costs and all the things to be able to pay to be able to build it up. So I had the team go evaluate the deal to make sure the deal was what he said it was. So that checked out. That was worth $900,000. So then what I did was I lended them $500,000 at 10%. Right?
The blood of Jesus.
You get what I'm saying?
You're nasty.
And this will happen. So now I'm definitely not trading my time for money. I get paid a fee every month.
Yeah.
Right? So what happens was I had to do a promissory note. I'm gonna give you a game. Promissory note, you gotta become the first lien holder on the insurance.
On the insurance.
With the promissory note, so that you're the first person that be able to, anything happen, you're first to get paid back. So you in a win-win. Haitian, we in a win-win. If they fail, what happens?
You get the asset.
You get the asset. If they win,
you get your money back plus interest.
Plus interest. How could you lose?
How can you lose?
This is the game they've been playing this whole time, bro. So it's like, so then I get paid if I get 10% of $500,000, I get paid $5,000 a month. And then this is the key part where I learned. I make my terms how I want my terms to be.
Yeah.
You cannot pay me back shorter than 6 months.
Ooh.
You cannot hold it longer than 12 months.
12 months.
So that means
guarantee you're gonna make your bread.
50 to 100.
Okay.
And then, but it's just crazy how you can place your money. When you got money, it's easy to make money. I can place my money there for 6 months and make $50K, and I didn't do nothing.
Nothing with it.
You know what I mean? And then my money's working for me. Because we always talk about that, right? You gotta make money babies, and making money for you. And it's like, I figured it out. I'm like, wow, you can just sit. People that's got a lot of money, just sit back and
their
money
make
they
you
lend money
do
the work.
They make you do the work. Yeah, they make you do the work with the money.
And protect themselves.
Jesus Christ, bro.
So now I became a lender, bro, and it's like, I would love to do a lot of those.
A lot of those. Do that over and over again.
Yeah.
And that's why for the next 24 months, you're going to run it up so you could become a bank.
And then we can leverage a life insurance policy with it too.
Yeah.
So I dumped first.
You're using $1 twice. Y'all paying attention?
So now,
and because he dumped in life insurance policy, he mitigate his taxes.
100%.
Right. So that's the master class, bro.
Hey, yo. So now leverage the life insurance policy with the lending.
Yeah.
I take my $500,000. I dump it in life insurance policy. Yep. I borrow against it now. If we dump at $500,000, we might only type it to $350, whatever it may be. Okay, so I dump it in life insurance policy, borrow against it, lend that money out. That money is making money while it's sitting there. That's if I make 6%, 7% on the life insurance policy, then I make 10% out here. I'm making 17%.
Pay attention. Slow down. Slow down for the folk, bro. So this is what he said.
Go ahead.
Say for instance, I ran up $1 million in funding this year.
Yeah.
I charged my 10%.
Yeah.
I made $100,000 this year.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the $100,000 and I'm gonna fund a life insurance policy. Talk to a professional, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Because there's the
gotta be structured.
You gotta be structured properly. It's
Yes.
the type of life insurance policy you gotta get,
100%.
right? Shout out to Savvy. Savvy got Savvy Henderson.
Savvy with it.
Savvy.henderson@gmail.com. All right.
Savvy with it.
Savvy with it, right?
Okay.
So you take that money and you invest in it. Now you can loan out up to 80%.
Yeah.
When you loan that money out, it's cheap money.
Yeah.
What, 2-3%?
Yeah.
Right? You loan that money out
To yourself.
and to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
He mitigated his taxes because you had to pay taxes on that $100,000, but because he put into a financial vehicle, he mitigated his taxes. Right? The $100,000, because this is the part he said really fast. Because once he took out $80,000 out of the $100,000 policy, how much money is left? $20,000? Wrong. $100,000.
$100,000.
So that policy is still growing.
Compound interest.
Compound interest of the $100,000 that's still in there, while he took out $80,000 and he lent out to somebody and charged them 10%. It's nasty work.
So now I'm starting to figure some things out.
Yeah.
Then I learned the tax game too.
Oh my God.
So I'm about to wipe out my whole tax liability. I might even get a tax refund this year, bro.
Wow. If you get a tax refund this year, that's crazy.
Because
that means you really figured the game out.
I've been relationships,
bro.
Oh my God.
Mentorship
and relationships. I've been putting myself on payroll.
Yep.
$15,000 a month.
Yep.
Been taking out all these taxes from ADP.
Yep.
Right, but now my tax liability is at a point to where if I invest another right investment, my whole tax liability gonna be wiped out. I'm about to get a.
So you see his problems? It's what we in August? In August.
I'm in August,
right?
So I'm talking about it right now.
Right now. He got 5 months
to get
find
busy.
something to invest in that's going to cash flow for him, but also is going to wipe out the rest of his taxes. It's a different game at this level that you have to get into, and it's just education.
And I used to hate the tax game. I used to, man, we entrepreneurs, we make this money. Why y'all trying to take money out of our pockets?
40%, 50%.
Taking 40% of our money, and it was just,
we complaining because we didn't know the game, bro.
Yeah. All it was I just needed to learn the game. Why you keep complaining about the game so damn much? Just learn the game, master the game, and learn how to play it.
You know when I started to understand, bro? I remember when there was protesting, when General Electric, Trump, Amazon, they paid 0% in federal taxes, and people were protesting. That's not fair. The billionaires, they gotta be taxed. And I was like wait a minute. Well, how they do that? Right. It's a simple question I asked. I was like, I don't want to go protest.
The best question in the world.
I want to know how to do that.
100%.
Paperwork, taxes, you can do the same damn thing. I put my picket side down. I was like, no, don't change the rules. I want to do that too.
Let me play that rule.
Let me play that game. And it's not complicated. Everybody can play the game.
For sure.
If you are a W-2, go get yourself an LLC, start selling things.
Yeah, 100%.
And you can play that game.
100%. You definitely better not be trading your time for money for a long period of time.
Yeah, for a long period of time.
We got to be able to start.
Or you're going to complain about this tax thing forever.
Forever in life. You know what I mean? And man, bro, good conversation. We're going to close it out probably with something powerful, man. I'm gonna let you do it. Something we can leave them with that they can take from either this saying you finna say or from this podcast that they need to go execute on now. Ooh. I mean, now stands for no opportunities wasted. Now stands from now, not tomorrow, not next month, not next year. All that weird stuff y'all be doing with the procrastinating and waiting. No.
Right.
Successful people move with speed. We talking about now. What do they need to go do right now, Haitian?
Right now. He gave me an honest spot. Like, I didn't know it was going to be a pop quiz.
Yeah,
like,
buddy.
My PR people ain't telling me about this. Let me see. Okay, Bank of America, First Horizon, Dollar Bank. Bank of America, First Horizon, Dollar Bank. Mm-hmm. Name, number, email. They do a soft pull on the personal side, and these 3 banks actually let you know what your credit limit is going to be.
Okay.
Another one that does that is Apple credit card and Upgrade credit card. They actually let you do that, and they show you what your credit limit is going to be. If you want to do that, if you want the limit they give you, click the approve button, and then you got it. But I'll give you something.
I'll give them 3 more. Wings Financial Credit Union, Dover Federal Credit Union, and Seattle Federal Credit Union. They also do it too. So y'all just got a whole bunch of them. Well, go ahead.
Let's give them another one.
Okay, go ahead.
Right? How to get a couple of credit cards, no inquiry. I know y'all know this game. You know Apple credit card. You go to Apple on your phone or on the website, credit card. If you have an iPhone, Android users, what's up with y'all? You apply for the credit card. They do a soft pull. They let you know what your limit is going to be. You're going to go to your TransUnion profile. You're going to freeze it, right? You're going to call them. You're going to go online, or you're going to freeze it. You're going to go back to the Apple website. You're going to accept the offer. Now you just got a credit card, no inquiry. You know what else banks allows you to do that? The upgrade credit card. So you're going to unfreeze your credit report. You're going to go to upgrade. You're going to fill out the pre-approval. They're going to let you know what your credit limit is. You're going to go to TransUnion, freeze your credit report, go back to upgrade, accept the offer. You just got 2 credit cards, no inquiries on your TransUnion profile. Go execute. That's how we closing them out today.
Hey, that's how we close y'all out today, man. If y'all didn't learn something from this podcast, then you wasn't listening. You know what I mean? So, man, watch this episode again if y'all have to. Make sure y'all go tap in with my guy, Haitian CEO.
Smitty to go. Follow him on the gram. He needs to get to 100,000 followers,
subscribers
man.
on YouTube.
100,000
So like
subscribers on YouTube.
And share
like
it out
and
to your
subscribe.
friend.
Make it happen, guys.
If you learn something new, give it to a friend. Send the link out to them like, hey, go watch this. If you learn something new from Haitian today, tell somebody else to go watch it. You learn something new today, tell them to go watch it, man. Because the power and proximity, we want the domino effect to happen behind us and us teaching y'all and y'all teaching the other people, man. So this is another episode of the Rich Decisions Podcast, man. We appreciate y'all. We love y'all. And we'll see y'all later. Let's get it.
Talk to you soon.
Yes, that's his favorite line.
Yeah.
Talk to you
We
soon.
making rich decisions with Smitty to go. We making rich decisions. If you know, then you know. We making rich decisions with Smitty to go. If you wanna get some money, then tune into the show. We making rich decisions, yeah. We making rich decisions.